So after drying the soya bean, we roast it. So here it is being roasted, and this one here has been roasted. It is still hot. This one is yet to be roasted. So you use low heat while roasting. Ibaliro. Nkaguza mino aketa kulia. Soya bean. So we are going to mix the mushrooms, and the mushrooms are here. The mushrooms are here. So we are going to mix the mushrooms, which are here. These are the mushrooms. To mix them with soya bean. This is the soya bean. It has been roasted. I can even eat it now. So the soya bean has been roasted. And then we have millet. Millet grain. It is here. Now, you do not need to grow the soya bean and the millet. You can buy them. However, for us, we grew the millet. So, this is how the millet looks like. Very clean. Look at it. And this millet is not roasted. So, this is the millet. This is the millet. I think you can see it. These are the dry mushrooms. Now, this is what we are going to do. While mixing, you have to mix 5 kilograms of soya bean into 5 kilograms of millet grain into 5 kilograms of mushrooms. Okay? So this is the weighing scale that we use to measure. And fortunately, I have already measured. It is hard to measure. So I've already measured 5 kilograms into 5 kilograms of mushrooms and into 5 kilograms of these. So what we are going to do, look at that. Mr. Seremba. Ugambotya mukwano. Bojja nonkolera kofa. Ofa Mr. Seremba olabika. Mr. Seremba olabika ofa ngonkoleddeko. Obulonga tebulabi. Ndiramu. Naye oba twanditabulidde muni ne tuteeka muno omulundi gumu mwe tugenda okuseera. Olaba? Tubuddemu obumathirumu. Mix evenly. Kumwana. Nedda. Tukwate bino tuteekemu. So here you can see how has a sweet smell. Mr. Seremba, what did? Ne lwaki tewabisima engulu gwe tugenda kuyiga ebintu by'abandi batukuume wano Mr. Serena tubadde tunoonya enamba yaani twagambye yaani ntolooza tetulemye okuteekamu
ebaafu nkooti
all the mushrooms. Pia perua.
Lojja balekemu.
Eringu. So, look at the volume we have. This is the volume we have. Here we have soya bean grain, millet grain, and mushrooms. So we are going to take this to the milling machine. So we are taking for grinding. Damu bulungi ako nako nno nako nkapositingiramu kansiireko olyoka olaba abantu bamanyi okusiba wali abasomesa abazi tagenza olowooza kale lwaki tetwangeesi bamanyabo nenjikwata I'm the most
owulira
So we are going to make porridge, and at school the children made bushera. Do you know that I found it finished from the box? Okay? These children, they took all of it. They took all the mushroom porridge. They didn't know that it had been planned to be sold off. Mr. Serem, what did? Abaana bakumalamu ejjoogo togwa kababba kwata gwe pikino tensi ate ogindekedde kale teweerabira teweerabira kukwata vidiyo ekwatira mugere kumu eyaitukibaale kubanga tukola kutegula bakulu kwatira mugere